Easily get the latest version of Excel. Open Excel. Click Blank Document. Click File. Click Account. Click Update Options. Click Update Now. Allow the updates to install. If no updates are available, you won't see an Update Progress window appear. If there isn't an Update Options button, you might not have a version of Excel you can update manually. You might have a volume license install, or your company is managing Office updates.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.